TNW Corporation offers full-service car cleaning and scrapping in one convenient location at the TXGN Railway in Gonzales, Texas. Because we provide multiple rail services in one location, TNW is sure to save your company a significant amount of time and money. We're proud to be working with Strataflex International Group, a respected industry leader for railcar cleaning and maintenance services. Their cutting-edge technology, best industry practices, and a safety-first approach to their work makes them a solid partner for TNW. We offer a 45-acre scrapping plant to complete end-of-life services on TXGN's rail-served facility. If you're looking for a dependable, one-stop shop to take care of your clean-to-scrap needs, contact TNW Corporation today. We provide our customers with the highest quality rail services in America. Visit our website for other rail services we provide and to contact us for a quote, tnwcorporation.com.